In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix screen share not working on iPhone FaceTime. If you've ever experienced issues while trying to share your screen during a FaceTime call, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we'll go through a simple, foolproof process that should get you back up and running in no time. First and foremost, you need to ensure that your iPhone is running on iOS 15 or later. Screen sharing on FaceTime is a feature that was introduced in iOS 15, so if your software version is older, you simply won't have the capability to share your screen. To check your iOS version, go to Settings, then General, and finally About. If your software version is older than iOS 15, you will need to update your device. While you're in the settings, let's ensure your software is up to date. Head over to General once more and select Software Update. This will check if there are any available updates. If there is an update, download and install it. An updated device not only brings new features but also fixes bugs that might be causing issues with functions such as screen sharing. Next, let's turn our attention to your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons why screen sharing might not work properly. Make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, or if that's not available, a stable cellular network. You can test your connection by loading a web page or streaming a video to see if everything runs smoothly. Now let's make sure you're initiating screen share correctly during your FaceTime call. Once you're on a call, look for the screen share button, which appears as a person with a screen icon. Tap it and then select Start Broadcast. This initiates the screen sharing process. It can sometimes be a simple mistake of not selecting the right options, so ensure you're following this sequence. If you're still having trouble, the issue might be a temporary glitch. Let's try restarting your FaceTime app. Simply close it completely and then reopen it. This can resolve small temporary issues that might be causing screen sharing problems. And if that doesn't work, restarting your iPhone is always a good approach. This can clear out any lingering glitches or system bugs that might be affecting FaceTime's performance, including screen sharing. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to fixing screen share not working on iPhone FaceTime. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most common issues and continue sharing screens seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.